Wi-Fi not working on your Windows PC? Can't connect, slow speeds, or it just keeps disconnecting? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's fix it step by step fast. First things first, restart both your Wi-Fi router and your computer. It sounds simple, but this fixes a surprising number of connection issues. Next, right-click your Wi-Fi icon and select Troubleshoot Problems. Windows will automatically detect and try to fix issues with your network adapter. Outdated drivers cause a lot of connection problems. Go to Device Manager greater than Network Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Update Driver. Still not working? Go to Wi-Fi settings, click on your network and choose Forget. Then reconnect by entering your password again. As a last resort, you can reset all network settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, Network Reset. If you liked the video, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.